$100,000. Lot 141, the 1972 Ferrari 365 GTC4. At the heart of this car is the same motor as that in the vaunted Daytona, but it has the added benefit of 4 seats. After many years in Southern California, cared for by enthusiasts, this car received an outstanding restoration, finished in that beautiful shade of Blue Sera you see before you. It's the perfect car for a Sunday drive with your kids. The 1972 Ferrari 365 GTC4.
It's funny you say that, because the gentleman that bought this car did just that.
Really?
He went for very nice Sunday drives with his kids, didn't he? Was there good drives? There was good drives. Ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful Ferrari 365 GTC4. The color combination is simply magnificent. Comes from a very good home. He's had more than one, so he knows what he's doing. What should we say, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going to open the bidding here at $150,000. Cheeky bid of $100,000 from England, ladies and gentlemen, at $150,000. Thank you. Much more like it. $150,000, $200,000. $175,000 from England, thank you very much, at $175,000. $200,000 from Stephanie at $200,000 now. $225,000, thank you. $225,000. $250,000, I've taken $250,000 in the room. Do I have $275,000? Thank you. I apologize, Stephanie. $275,000. Do I have $300,000 now? $300,000 I am bid from Jonathan on my left. Do I have $325,000? Why not, Stephanie? At $300,000, are we having a family meeting down there? You keep conferring, let me know what you decide. At $300,000 on my left, $325,000 standing in the back of the room. Yes, sir, I've got you at $325,000 standing. $350,000 on my left here. Do I have $375,000, sir, from you? We're at $350,000, it's right here. You're out in the back of the room, and I'm selling, of course, on my left. $375,000 I have in the back of the room. At $375,000, do I have $400,000? $400,000 now. At $400,000, do I have $425,000 for the fabulous 365 GTC4 in Blue Sera? At $400,000 then on my left, I'm going to sell the car, sir. $425,000 in the back of the room. Do I have $450,000? We're at $450,000 now. Back in with me at $450,000. Do I have $475,000? Well, at $450,000, I have to sell a car. Such an elegant car. It's going for the first time then here in the room at $450,000. It's going for the second time in the room right here for the third and the last time at $450,000, going to a very good home. Sold! Congratulations, a fabulous car. Well done. 610, $450,000. Well done.